All right, good morning everybody. Where are we at?
Disneyland.
We're over here at Disneyland, and for what?
Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
That's right, we're over here at Star Wars Galaxy Edge. The first day grand opening of the soft opening of Star Wars Galaxy Edge over here at Disneyland. You can see it right there, there's the backside of the whole thing. So we're gonna be over there. Originally, we were gonna be over there at 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. But there was some confusion and stuff that went on, and actually they changed and moved us over till 9 o'clock. So, I mean, I think it's better just for the pure fact. You just got up. We've been up since about 4 o'clock. Right now it's about, what, 6:30? Gosh, man, we're over here at the parking structure. Nobody's even here. I think everybody's been parked at other designated areas because you've got your, your hardcore merch fans who are definitely in line over there. And then you have the people that are get the 8 a.m. one who have to get over there to the Star Wars launch bay in Tomorrowland. And they have to go over and get their passes. I think by 6 o'clock they got to get their wristbands. Ours will be getting in about 3 o'clock. So we've got a whole bunch of stuff planned today before we get into over there at Galaxy's Edge. We're gonna probably later we're gonna do probably a video because we're staying at the Disneyland Hotel. So we'll probably do like a review there, probably do some food and stuff, and just kind of do a little bit of the park stuff and show what's going on with the people going inside, coming out, things like that. So you ready to go for it, man? Yep, when he wakes up. See, they got the brand new welcoming sign over here at the tram loading area. That over there, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, Disneyland Resort. Okay, so when we came in here, they went and they gave us this awesome program. What do you think of this program, Nathaniel?
Pretty cool.
Yeah, what's part of it? It's got laminated. The thing is, you can see it, it's reflective. It kind of tells little parts of Galaxy's Edge, like the experiences that you'll find itself here. And then you'll also find the different types of galactic dining. And what else is over here on this side? Oh, it's a little picture of the back, but it's all reflective, the thing is. And then you got the map of it right there. Whoa, there it is. Now they got the new map with the new Star Wars Galaxy Edge included. Okay, so the first thing they just told us was if we were going to be going and doing the limited edition merchandise just for today, it's going to be over at the, what did they say it was? Oh, it's going to be over at the Star Wars launch bay, like I said earlier. So we've got to go head over there, and I've heard the lines for the cast members right now is pretty dang nasty. All right, and here is the line for the Star Wars launch bay for all the limited edition merchandise. It goes all the way through here, all the ways up through there. So somewhere in there, that's where we're gonna be. All right, walking into actually the Star Trader, they actually shifted us over to here. Here's some of the new merchandise. Look at this. I guess it's little characters here, as you can get. They're like little boxes. Here's some of the closing outfits right here. I mean, I can imagine the prices. This is 50. This little outfit kind of looks like Anakin's. What is this? 59. Hey, look at here's Yoda's cane.
Oh yeah.
The little Yoda cane. And then here's a little Padawan braids right here. If you want a little Padawan braid, oh look at this. You get your Yoda ears, man. Yeah. There's a little Jedi outfit right here. Wow, these ones look a lot more ornate, don't they, Nathaniel? Wow. You got some belts over here too. Look at this. How much is this belt? Yeah? And there's a full-size adult robes right there. What's that right there? You got the Poe X-Wing right there, and then you got the A-Wing. Right here, it looks like they look like they're little die-cast models in here. This is $30. That's not too bad. Look at this little kid's outfit, man. It's a full, complete Stormtrooper outfit right here. And here's the shirts right here. It's the limited edition shirts. What I really want to do, Nathaniel, is find out where the AP pass holder stuff is. Find out where that is. It's a little...
It's actually a real helmet.
Yeah, look at these little helmets, the X-Wing ones. Then here's you got... Oh boy, there they are. There's the different covers for your phones. There's the little backpacks. Oh, the dog stuff.
Oh god.
Yeah, you can't go out without the dogs, the Disney tails. Got the little outfit for a little R2-D2. Little Darth Vader. Okay, so there's the pins, the different ones. Oh boy, that's a lot of them. Okay, so we went over and we went over to Starcade over here at the Star Trader, where they're actually also selling the different merchandise. We didn't have to go over to, thank God, the Star Wars launch bay. That thing was just way too long. But Nathaniel over here, he's got the limited edition pass holders collector's pin. I'm going to show what it does. So it sits there and you open it up, and what's it say on there? Does it have it? It's got the dates.
Spire Outpost.
So it's got the Black Spire Outpost, and then it's got the date on there. And then the other one here, this is the actual AP limited edition, only for today, opening day, 5/31, cleared for landing t-shirt for Galaxy's Edge also, what they're selling over there. That's a pretty good t-shirt. You like that one, man? Okay, so that right there, that kind of took care of some of the merchandise, but we're also going to check out the merchandise over there at Galaxy's Edge, because I know that, well, definitely the lightsaber. So we took care of that, knocked out, got the t-shirt, got the pin, almost got a duck feather in my mouth a minute ago. So now we're going to go over, we're going to probably go and check out first the castle, how it looks like, all nice and painted, brand new. And then we're going to go over to Galaxy's Edge, check it out a little bit, see what it looks like. There's the castle with its new decorations and all that going back. You see the blues and the tans on the rocks, the different light blues and stuff like that. Wow, it looks nice. Got all kinds of gold trim around it also.
Really good job.
Want to get the close up of the gold trim and how it looks. It's a really good job. You know, I've been by this thing countless times and I never even noticed it before until what happened, the tragedy at Notre Dame. And there it is, yeah. Walt Disney's tribute to Notre Dame, the tower right there. So here's the entrance to Galaxy's Edge right over here. And man, you can see they got cast members over here right now. They won't even let you in, and that's probably where you check yourself in right over there. Next to the Hungry Bear restaurant over here, this is the actual other entrance where you go in. I think this is where they're actually, this looks like it's actually the departure zone where they actually, you want to leave the park. So that's crazy. There's people, they're leaving, it's only 9:30. And they have reservations from, what is it, 8 till 12, and it's only 9:30 and they're already leaving the park, man. All right, so we're getting hungry. We haven't had anything to eat all day, and we're gonna be going over to the Kangaroo Terrace. It's the area in between the Jungle Cruise ride right over here and the Tiki Room. So they kind of made it into kind of a neat looking little food court, I guess you would say, which got everything from, I guess, pulled pork sandwiches and stuff like that. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over there and we're gonna be getting a breakfast sandwich. It's got pulled pork, fried egg in it. It's got, I think it's got hash browns with gravy and all that. So we should check this out and see what's going on. All right, so this is getting more fun already. So I went over and we got it at the Kangaroo Terrace, but I guess I made a mistake because that's the tropical hideaway over there that we're just at. So where is Kangaroo Terrace located?
Disneyland.
Oh my gosh, Disneyland Resort. So we've got to leave the park and go all the ways down there. Oh geez. And our food's just about ready too. So we got a whole butt. Okay, so that was screw up number one. For some reason I had a complete brain fart and thought that the tropical hideaway over there at Disneyland was the Kangaroo Terrace, but Kangaroo Terrace is attached to, for all of you, you know, Disney nerds, is Trader Sam's. If you guys know Trader Sam's, I mean, you guys ever get a chance, you guys definitely have to go there and get some of the drinks and see the interactions, what happen inside the bar itself. This looks like with the pulled pork and the, oh my, how's that look?
Looks pretty good.
Look at that. Yeah, so I guess Nathaniel was pulling it apart and see there's the egg and there's actually tater tots in top of it. So you put the gravy on top of it all and you eat it. So it's kind of really, dude, it's almost like a loco moco.
Pretty good.
It's pretty good, or what?
It actually, the flavors mix in well. The tater tots go really good with the egg and the pulled pork.
Alright, and here's the area where everybody registers, gets their wristband. You see it's kind of chaotic here. Over here, all the people are showing their identification, showing everybody where to go. All right, Nathaniel. Finally here. Finally made it after how long? Watching it for 3. What's that? Oh. It's been about 3 years. About 3 years we've been watching this thing being built. Oh my Lord. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this land. You can't believe it, people. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh jeez. You hear all this stuff? Sounds like stuff is moving around, things are going. Oh boy, and everybody raises up those cell phones right there. Look at that. Wow. Notice up there on top of Ronto's Roasters, looks like a shuttle up there. Then right there we've got the antiquities. Looks like an old statue and looks like a Jedi master and some looks like a mystic. Walking through some of the marketplace area over here. You can hear, it's is that Olga's Cantina right there. You can hear all kinds of like
the doors even shut.
I know.
The future.
Like space, you get kind of like techno space music and everything else. There it is. Look at that. And this is the line for the people wanting to go in there and check it out. Woo! We got to go over here. Here's old Kylo's shuttle right here. Look at this. You know what this is? It's the milk stand. It's where you get the blue milk. What are you thinking?
Should we get some? And then the green milk.
I think we should sit in line and get some milk. What do you think? You want to get some blue milk?
Try it.
I think we want to get some blue milk.
Nice flip around. We're gonna hear ourselves some blue milk and green milk. I'm starting to lose my voice.
Okay, well the first thing we did when we got in here, we had to try what? The blue milk. So, I'm gonna let Nathaniel, even though I want to try it the most, I've been waiting forever, I'm gonna let Nathaniel try it first. So, let's see what Nathaniel thinks of it. What do you think?
It does taste like milk.
It doesn't? It doesn't?
It does have a blueberry feel to it.
A blueberry feel to it?
It is also a slushy.
A slushy to it. So it's supposedly it's all plant-based, I guess. So people who are allergic to probably animal products and things like that, they can't have it. Gives them less limitations. But one thing it is too is it's if I believe right, it's got a coconut base to it. So it's a coconut base, but it's blue milk. Let me try this.
I thought my tongue would be blue.
Very light, kind of creamy, but it's really awesome. I like it. Oh, good.
It's good. I won't admit. It's very sweet.
Oh boy, I like it.
Hey, don't log at all.
I don't think I'm going to give it back. No. I think I'm just going to walk away and keep it. I'm going to look at Kylo's shuttle. Maybe over here, the little trash cans. They look like little droids. They look like little droid trash cans. They look like. Look at this. I think it's over there. They roast everything out right there, isn't it? Is that pretty awesome? Look at the meat. What kind of meat do you think that is?
The top ones, I forgot their name, but the bottom one is like an unknown creature to me.
Oh yeah? How'd you know? You guys have fun. Okay. So here's a little area where you can get you can adopt the pets right here, right? Yeah, there they are. Those are little crazy guys. Rocky lizards. Look at this guy. Ah, so it works a lot like the Banshees do. Yeah, so it's like the Banshees. Okay. It's a little baby wampa. Yeah. So you can go. They work like the banshees do. See?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, like the banshees. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. So it's a little area where you can adopt the different little tauntaun. You can. Up there, yeah.
So not right.
Look at this little guy. Oh, here he is. This guy's cool. I thought he moved around. We got old Kylo right here. Oh boy.
Yes, sir. There. That one. Supreme Leader Ren would like to see you. Identification, please.
Oh, that's not good.
Right here.
That's not good.
Are you aware of resistance supporters here? Here we go. You said they had information, Trooper. We apologize, sir. You brought me here on their word. They should be flattered. You should be afraid. Yes, sir. Thanks a lot. I'm keeping my eye on you. Your support is noted. The First Order.
I think I know who it is. This is the one. Yes. Here. Come here. Come here. Here's the one. Over here. Over here. There. He's the one you want right there.
All right.
He's the one.
We'll tell him.
He's not you the one. He told me to settle down. I'm like, he's the one you want. He's the one you want.
Yes, sir. Bring them to me.
Look at
The Supreme Leader won't even see you. This way, please.
Oh boy. Look at this guy.
Don't let him draw attention. Oh no. Clear the way. They had information. Travelers, they might be covering for the Wookiees, sir.
Action and defense, peace and justice, power and control. No, this one?
Oh, yeah.
Nope.
This one.
With the little rancor tooth and all that in there. There you go. Everything is like beaten up, and look at this.
Yeah.
Look at that. Like it's been some serious impact marks. They really took a lot of time in here to make this stuff look real. I mean, look at the oil, the grease inside in the joints and in the hydraulics. So what happened is they gave him a card here. Let's see. I don't know what this card means right here, but it's a card all scratched up and everything else. And then they also gave him, look at that thing. Look over here, yeah. It's a badge, like a little medallion, and what it's going to do is, there you go.
I'll put it up in my.
Yeah, you're going to put it on your chest, because he's now considered a builder. So because he's a builder, they're going to have that, and what it's going to do is it's going to tell the gatherers what to give him. The first look of Nathaniel seeing it. What do you say, dude?
Oh yeah.
What is it? What is it? What is it? The Millennium Falcon. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my God, the beauty of the thing. There she is. Oh my gosh, the Millennium Falcon, our glory. There's the cockpit of it right there. There's our Chewie. There's our Han Sat, C-3PO, R2-D2, all of them, Luke, Leia, all of them. Look at that
60
thing.
minutes too.
60 minutes right now, it'll go down after a while, but look at the size of that thing. Freaking badass or what? You cannot get a better backdrop than that. Amazing. Unbelievable. And looking over here at Smuggler's Run, standby line is only 10 minutes. Okay, so they went over, what did they do? They put us over here, almost ready, so they kind of put us in a little corral.
This is Carlos, and this is Tristan. My name is Lito, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. Now, we may look like we're just scrappers, but I promise we are so much more. We have traveled across the entire galaxy searching for ancient artifacts, precious cargo, and relics, and we bring it all back here. We've traveled from war-ridden planets to abandoned outposts and ancient temples, and like I said, everything we find we bring back just for you guys.
So you're gonna put that in and put your hypercrystal in there, huh?
Light up and sing to you. Please let me know if it does not.
Let me see. Oh,
I almost had it.
it's coming alive?
Kinda. It's kinda hard to get. Push it in.
This is what's been the problem. So whichever's
That's it. Staying in there. Maybe it's the other way around.
Oh, what did you just put on it? What did you just put, huh? You just put a Rancor tooth on it? Dang Rancor tooth.
How are we doing?
Look at that.
About 2 hours without exposure?
Oh, that's a good.
Good job. Thank you. That's the first time I've got
You will let me in?
No. Hey, it's a stop. Alright, I think we're good. Builders, we have reached the final step of this.
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Wow. Master Yoda. The Force must be strong in this room. Builders, we have reached the final step of this process, where the bond between Saber and Builder will be forged. Now, in just a moment, on my mark, I'm going to ask you all to step forward, place your hands on your hilts, and we will activate our lightsabers together. Are we ready, Builders?
Yes.
Alright, Builders. Step forward, place your hands on your hilts, and activate.
Ooh, what'd you do, Nathaniel?
Raise your lightsabers. You have just built a lightsaber, like the Jedi in the Sith of Kung Fu. And like that, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate your lightsabers.
So that right there, that was Savvy's workshop, and Nathaniel, he just made himself a lightsaber. All right, so I think what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go over to, what do you think? I think we're gonna go over to Smuggler's Run and go check out the Millennium Falcon in the ride. All right. All right, so there's the Millennium Falcon right there. And right now, we're going right to the entrance. Smuggler's Run. Oh my. Oh, look at all the details in here. Whoa. Look at this. It's the Millennium Falcon. Look at the big old laser burn right through there, man. Right through it. Woo! Oh, this is awesome. So it looks like we're going through looks like a kind of like a work area hangar. Yeah. Oh, there's the back side of it.
You're fine. You're all yellows.
Yep. Look at this inside here.
Even that rusty old smell.
Yeah, look at this. Yeah. Looks like an area where they go and they work on droids parts and the mechanical part, because there's some broken down droid pieces over there, see them?
Yeah, with
Oh yeah, you can smell it. All kinds of burnt rubber and metal and stuff.
that's what I was explaining.
Yeah, it's like it's a workstation.
Already passed.
Oh, this is an awesome workstation.
What's that? Bathroom?
Like an engine.
That's an engine.
Look at that. Check that thing out, man. Looks like it's taking a couple hits. Uh-oh.
Systems check.
Yeah, it is.
Actuators full.
Look at that. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, wow. Look at this. There it is. It's the top of it. Man.
It's amazing.
Look at that.
Actually replace the turbo laser.
Yeah, there they are, the turbo lasers on it.
Yeah.
That's all the stuff. There's little hits and stuff, little smashes and stuff on it. That is an amazing view of it.
Hello, hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon.
The Falcon.
For some very fast and very profitable expeditions. You look at my fine peregrine. Yes, as Harry, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. In a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first owner will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends.
Why are the two crew members are not following directions?
Engineers, really.
Engineers, come on.
Welcome, welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. Ah, a brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers,
Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Oh my gosh.
May the force be with you.
So I'm up and down here side to side. I'm going.
Oh, we're going to die.
flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. Better be faster when we get to the beam.
We are going to die.
Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left.
Oh, God.
Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Right hand side, fly.
Oh, my God.
Left pilot. Hit the boosters.
I'm blue gunner.
Let's go get that coaxium.
So
Right
the
pilot.
pilot goes down and
Make
up
the
and
jump to light speed.
right? I don't know.
Yo, light speed. Back to light speed. Now you're supposed to pull the lever. Oh, God, where are we going? Fire!
Go. Up. Yes. Yes. Keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
No, I got it now. I got it now. And now we're doing it.
I'm mashing the button. Help me.
Right now, here we go.
Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now got it. Shoot the cargo.
Keep it going.
Pilot brakes. My friends, that could have been much worse.
Ow.
Okay, it's much worse.
Let me go quickly.
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well,
Power up my side. Power up your side.
let's see out.
Good going up.
You see, just as I promised, my friend. resistance has what they need. Maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train.
I got it now. So the line is down moving all the time.
Do you see those big white trains? Shoot the train. So they... I'm actually not on my I think I'll let you tell the room. Punch. Oh, that's it. Oh my God. What's our status? As distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Come on. Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out!
Well, that's not easy, man. I'm like, look at that. Woo! Oh, what is this now? Come on!
Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers! We've got company! Chu is right! If we lead them back, they may find the resistance! He's the last who did it!
Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Wow. What do you think, Amanda? Think it or not? This is the ship, we're walking out of it now. It's all cracking and popping all over. Jeez, what do we do to it? What do we do to this ship? Oh my gosh. Wow. All right, so we're gonna walk around and show everybody what it looks like here at night, being that we got the gift of being able to show it at night. So here's the area what we were at earlier, where they go over and they make the lightsabers. You see the people in here, they're still in there making them right now. I'm gonna go over there and go see Kylo's shuttle real quick.
Yeah, I studied it for a second. No, I get it.
Here's the little speeder port over here where they go over and they put the speeders all back together and such. See, the neat thing is they have a data pad, kind of like challenges, and they also have different things what you do if you're part of the resistance or you're part of the new order, and they have you do different things like hack into speeders, hack into or turn off surveillance cameras, things like that. Here's one of them, because I noticed earlier when I was playing with my data pad that they wanted me to come here and hack this speeder. Hey, it's coming alive. So we're gonna go over here and check out at night old. Okay, so the speeder's actually, the speeder's not over here. I mean, not the speeder. I mean, Kylo's shuttle's not over this way. Shuttle's the other way. At night, kind of gotten a little turned around, but right over there, there's one of the exits right there. But over here, here's a little bit of a kind of a droid display right here. Look at these guys. Over here we got a cool little droid display right here. See what these guys do. Well, they're a little talkative, that's for sure. It's a little power droid right here.
Hey, We're winning.
We're winning?
We're winning.
Oh yeah, they're playing the game right now, or the Resistance is winning. Oh, there it goes. There's one of them. So here's one of the data pads right here. There it is. There it is. Kylo's ship at night. Man, that is amazing looking. Look at that. Then right next to it, if we go right here, there's kind of like the New Order. I want to say the storefront where you can go there and purchase different things that are of the baddies. Look at that, man. Big old blaster cannon. Yeah, big old blaster cannon. Yeah. And they got some different helmets up here. Yeah, some different like shirts and things like that. I got some enlistments posters. And he's got some officers' uniforms right here. Look at this guy. Yeah, he's only $6,000 for that bad boy. Could be all yours. Got little different things right here. Got a little kid's uniform also right there. Looks like they got some pins and some figures, different types of little models and figures here also.
Gorilla.
So right over here in front of us, this is where the line starts for Olga's Cantina. Probably one of the most popular things here other than making the lightsaber. I mean, this is all people want to come here. I mean, I'll be back. I mean, probably in about 3 weeks, I'll try to make a mad dash here in the morning and try to get in for it and see what's going on. I know one thing is it opens at 8 a.m. and it serves alcohol, so more than likely everybody's in here trying to get alcohol inside. They're back over here with the Millennium Falcon. Oh my God, look at this. There is no better backdrop than this. Jeez. This is what keeps you coming back over and over again.
Yeah, what you need?
There's the old docking bay 7 right here. This is going to be one of their little restaurants where you can get different food items and such. It's pretty cool. We got to check it out in here real quick. Wow, look at this. Let's check out the food item. Oh, it smells great in here too. And there's the line to get in. Ooh. Yeah, sure smells good, doesn't it? No.
Yeah, with
Look at the fish. Got like a little fish in here. Got all kinds of supplies up there. Let's see what they have right here to eat. They have like smoked kadu ribs, fried Endorian tip-yip, roasted Endorian tip-yip salad, Ithorian garden loaf, yob shrimp noodle salad, and braised shark roast. Oh yeah. And it looks like they got some different desserts there and some kids meals. And actually they got some specialty drinks also.
I do not like it.
All right, everybody. That is probably going to about do it for us for tonight. I think we're past our time slot, which is 9 o'clock. We're going to be leaving before the stormtroopers come and basically evict us out or arrest us. But what did you think of it?
Pretty good.
I loved it. I loved it. Smuggler's Run. Incredible. I think definitely one time you're going to have to become a pilot. That's for sure. For it and do it. And then you'll find out how hard it really was to do.
Yeah, you try being gunner and try to spam
I don't think it was. What, you got to keep on pushing? Is that what was happening?
Then you saw me stall out and like...
Is that what happened?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I'll tell you what. Like I say, thank you, Disney, for definitely making it worthwhile. Waiting for that 3-year wait. It definitely is worth it. You got your lightsaber, so I guess you could say check mark. Yeah, I think definitely. I think you can say bucket list. Oh, what was that lights going off? Oh, fireworks. We got the fireworks going off.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.